What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And I guess you know already what this video is all about. So it took me almost 2 years to make this video to tell you about a course, a kind of a playlist where you can learn Flutter from in that order, where you can say that okay, if I follow this path then I will become a better Flutter developer. So a lot of the time what happens, people ask me that what's the best way to learn Flutter, what are the best resources, where I can learn Flutter for free, or how I should approach Flutter. And most of the time I say that you can just go to this, you can do this. And I mean, every time I have to give separate answers to people, so that's why I'm making this video. And why it took me 2 years, because I wasn't sure that when I can say that now you can watch my channel for the entire thing about Flutter. And now I'm at the time where I can say this, because I saw a lot of people are making paid content as well, which is good. I don't say that it's not good, it's definitely good. Even I am in support of paid content if it is giving you the value. But then I saw that there are a lot of good creators who started doing Flutter from a long time back, and then we created a lot of content honestly for Flutter, even on GitHub, on YouTube, and other platforms as well. And then I saw few content creators as well who are trying to create paid content based on our content, maybe little modifying that content. So that was happening. So that's why I thought about telling people, giving them the awareness that I already have all this content if you want to look into that. And why it's free? Because I know a lot of people like me who could not pay when they are in college. So yeah, that happened with me as well. So yes, that's why it's free as of now, and I don't want to charge people until unless they are earning or maybe they can pay. So I think the content which is available on my channel on this particular series is actually you can get for free for sure. And maybe after some time when I'll make some advanced content, or maybe something which I will talk about in this video after a particular moment, then maybe you can pay. Okay, so before proceeding further, let me just tell you, the link is in the description of the playlist. I have prepared the playlist which you can watch in the order itself, or if you feel like you just want to take one particular video and just wanna watch it, then you can definitely do it. Because the beauty of this particular playlist is that you don't have to watch it from, like, you don't have to stick to entire series to watch it. I mean, every video is different from others. I mean, it's still connected, but every video is independent in itself. So you can watch any video anytime, and you don't have to sleep. Okay, it's now organized. That's why I created this playlist, so that you don't feel like you are missing something. And yeah, that's the thing. Now you will ask me that what will happen if I'll stuck somewhere. Then obviously I cannot most of the time I mean, people say that I don't reply. Yeah, most of the time it happens because I am doing a lot of stuff already. I cannot reply everyone every time. So that's why I created this group, which is Let's Flutter with Dart on Facebook. The intention was to make a group because people use Facebook a lot, I felt, and why to just waste your time there. Rather than that, we should use that time. So that's why Let's Flutter with Dart. If you don't know about that group is open for everyone who wants to learn Flutter, so you can join. The link is in the description. Please join that group so that you can ask your questions to people, not just me. There are many professional developers as well on the group. So that's one of the things as well. And now talking about, I have written entire thing what I'm gonna talk about. So yes, so yeah, the playlist is kind of good. And then if you follow me on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, then if, for example on Twitter, there's a pinned tweet about this particular playlist where I have shared all the links of all the video in a particular order, as well as the entire playlist is in order itself. But on Twitter you'll find that on the videos itself, in the brackets, there is written either it is optional or it is must, or it is must. So if it is optional, it's totally you can ignore that particular video if that's not useful for you. If it is a must, then I say that you should definitely watch this video, because I guess it will make you a better developer. And if nothing is written, that means it's a part of the series itself. You should definitely learn it if you don't know about it. So that's how it has been structured. And then talking about that now, about the future of this particular channel. Before that, one more thing is, guys, if you feel that some of the content is obsolete, or there are some things which are not working, then let me know in the comments, because there are a lot of changes which happened with Flutter recently, especially with the framework or the library. So yeah, a lot of things cannot work. It can be possible. So let me know in the comments. If I'll get more upvotes on a particular comment, then I'll definitely recreate that video. For example, there is a Firebase series with Flutter on my channel. Some of the content is definitely I mean, the syntax has changed, or one of the other thing is changed. So I'm gonna rewrite the entire Flutter with Firebase series from the scratch again, and I'll be creating more content on Flutter with Firebase. And so that's one thing. But you can let me know in the comment or on Twitter that this is the particular series, or even in the Facebook group that this particular video we want it again with the latest Flutter version as well as the latest library version. So I'm gonna definitely make that video. Now coming to the last part, then what's my view about the paid courses and all. I personally feel that those can be very good. Why I make it for free? Because that's why I started this YouTube channel, so that I can deliver content for free. But yes, paid course, it should give you something when you are paying. It's not like my stuff is not something which can be paid for. Definitely it can be paid for, but I want to create something more useful. So that's why I'm working on something which will be a part of it will be on subscription based. So yes, you can definitely pay me if you can pay me. Otherwise you don't have to pay, because there is another section there will be which will be for economically weaker people who cannot pay, but they can see. Everyone has a right to learn, so definitely I'm not gonna stop you from learning. So yes, after giving me a few proofs, you can definitely get that course or that particular thing for free. It will be little different from what you are used to, and I just want to make sure that you learn from things, you get a job, you get placed, and that's the best thing can happen. So yes, I'm working on that part as well. But this entire series, you don't have to pay for anything, and it's free. So it's not any, like, you don't have to regret for it. If you don't like it, then definitely you can skip that video or maybe the entire playlist. Then having said that, I guess I have covered most of the things. So basically you have to join the Facebook group, and also guys, make sure that when you are learning from this playlist, then you don't have to follow this series entirely. But yes, this is the order if you should learn. That's the idea, but every video is independent of itself. So yes, if you watch any video from anywhere, let's say you want to learn about lazy lazy loading list views, so yes, you can watch my video. If you want to learn AR Core, ML Kit, TensorFlow Lite, maybe SQF Lite, anything, then you can definitely watch that, and that particular video. There are different playlists inside this playlist as well, which you can definitely watch. That will be my recommendation, because those playlists and there will be more playlists, and more videos will be added to this playlist as well. So yeah, a lot of content is coming. So yeah, that's about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're not the subscriber, and guys, press the bell icon as well to get the updates about this channel. This channel is not just Hindi channel or English channel, it's kind of a mixture of both, because I love both audiences. And one more thing is, guys, please share this video with other people as well who wants to learn, because that's what I feel. If you will help others, then definitely someone will help you as well when you want some help. So yes, share this video with your friends who wants to learn Flutter for free, and I hope the content will be good enough, and there is everything which I personally felt that should be there. And if you feel that something is missing, then definitely let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, that's about this video, and I'm gonna make more videos pretty soon. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and make sure you join the Facebook group, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and comment down if you feel something is missing or something should be improved. Thank you.